Hey, it's Krista with WTI. Today, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite new additions to my living space, the HYBDAMAI's 5-tier wooden blanket ladder. It's really not just another piece of furniture, but rather a stylish way to bring in order and functionality to your living space. I love that this ladder is so simple in design, but still very versatile. Its 5 tiers allow me plenty of space to hang my blankets and even add little decorative accents, all while keeping my limited floor space organized and chic. This ladder has been a real saving solution for my family because whenever I have a quick moment to lay down, I have convenient access now to my throw blankets right at arm's reach. And I'm not the handiest person, but truly putting this blanket ladder together was super simple. I appreciated that it had well-detailed instructions and the pieces really fit together seamlessly. So within no time, I was able to personally have a sturdy blanket ladder ready to go. I wasn't sure I had space for another piece of furniture in my living room, but I sure am glad that I gave it a try. With this HYBDAMAI's blanket ladder, I now have a beautiful decorative element in my living room that elevated its style while solving storage issues. This is both a practical and a beautiful piece of furniture for my living space. And that's my point of view.